Architecture, it said, is frozen music. At LimeLite, we believe that the creative use of light can give each space you design its own unique song. So, we make lights like no other in the world. Lights that subtly complement the look of today's relaxing living. Lights that say, welcome, yet make dramatic statements of style and originality. Lights that give you more creative possibilities than ever before. It's all made possible by the magic of 3D printing. With it, your vision can take new forms, new function, and become a new living reality. Come talk to us at LimeLite. Share your vision with us, and we'll share ours with you. Together, we can make light work wonders. LimeLite, innovation with purpose.